Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Leetcode Problems in 1 minute part 6. So here's the problem. Given a list of intervals, remove all intervals that are covered by another interval in the list. Interval AB is covered by interval CD if and only if C is less than or equal to A and B is less than or equal to D. After doing so, return the number of remaining intervals. So here's an example. The output is 2 because 3 through 6 and 2 through 8 cover each other. So we have our initial inputs of self and x. How we want to start is we want to sort by the first item in each interval and then the second item in each interval. Next we want to check for an edge case where the length is 0. Next thing we want to do is start looping through the list and compare those values to the values after them in the list. We do this comparison as the prompt said, C less than or equal to A and B less than or equal to D. And finally we return the length minus the count. Let's run it, and here are the results. Thanks, that's all I got. Like and comment for what you want to see next.